Hi, boys and girls. So today for your homework, you have to solve using place value strategies. So when it says 2 tens plus 3 tens equals how many tens? So you have to think, what's 2 plus 3? And then type in your answer. So it'd be 5. And now it's asking you what 20 plus 30 is, which 20 plus 30 is 20, 30, 40, 50. So I type in 50. So that's what you have to do for the top ones. And then this one, you're just adding. So try and use your place value strategies to help you count up by tens. So like this one says 28 plus 40. So I'm going to start with 28 and I'm going to count by 10. So it goes to 38, 48, 58, 68. Okay, so my answer I would put here is 68. Whoops. And then down here, you're just writing greater than, less than, or equal to compare the numbers. So you need to make sure you figure out what 23 plus 40 is and 20 plus 33 is to compare those two answers to see if it's greater, less than, or equal to. Have a good day. Bye. Don't forget to hit I'm done to submit your work.